Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cursor, Windsurf and Lovable. Cursor, Windsurf and Lovable are all AI-powered development tools, but they approach coding in different ways and target slightly different audiences. Cursor is essentially a modern code editor that combines the power of AI with a familiar development environment. It's built to help you write, debug, and refactor code quickly by letting you interact with an AI assistant directly in the editor. You can ask the AI to generate new functions, explain complex code, or even optimize existing code for better performance. Cursor also supports multiple programming languages, integrates well with JIT, and offers context-aware completions, making it useful for both beginners and experienced developers who want AI deeply embedded in their workflow. Windsurf is also AI-focused but leans heavily toward collaboration. It's designed for teams who need to work together in real time on the same code base, almost like Google Docs but for coding. Developers can chat, command, and share code changes instantly, while the AI provides suggestions, documentation, references, and bug fixes in the shared environment. This makes Windsurf great for remote teams or open-source projects where communication and synchronized updates are critical. Lovable take a more rapid prototyping approach. Instead of just enhancing the coding process, it aims to build entire applications from high-level descriptions. You can tell it the type of app you want, and it will generate much of the structure, backend, and even a working UI. It's particularly appealing for startups, solo entrepreneurs, or product managers who need to turn an idea into a work demo or MVP in the shortest possible time. While it might not offer the same deep coding control as Cursor or the team collaboration features of Windsurf, it excels at speed and ease of use. In short, Cursor is best if you want an AI-boosted code editor for serious development, Windsurf is ideal for AI-assisted teamwork and collaborative coding, and Lovable is perfect if your priority is quickly turning ideas into working applications without starting from scratch. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.